Everybody, we just got done drawing Petey the Cat from
Dogman.
This is mine, this is Finn's. I made mine kind of mad. He made his kind of, what would you call that emotion? Meh?
Meh, yeah. Whatever.
We're going to show you how we did it. Let's jump into it.
Let's go.
Okay, everybody. Today we are drawing Petey the Cat
From Dogman.
From Dogman.
We actually never seen it, but we've heard of it.
I know. I know their books. Did you know that Dogman, the Dogman comic book, was made by the same person that did Captain Underpants?
What?
Yep.
Oh yeah, I know that.
Let's scoot over this way a little bit, and we're gonna get started. And we will draw Petey the Cat. We're gonna draw his head up here, kind of towards the top. We don't want to make it huge because then we won't have room
Yeah,
for
like he would look like he filled a bunch of marshmallows in his mouth. And
well, like we did with your robot. Remember how you did like your robot torso and you had to make him have like teeny tiny legs?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna draw up here, and we're just gonna start with a big, simple circle. Okay.
Okay.
So it doesn't have to be perfect. Mine is definitely not perfect. That's okay.
Mine is kind of fat. It looks like he filled marshmallows in his mouth.
You ever seen like a picture of a hamster or a chipmunk that like stuffs his cheeks full of like acorns?
Yeah.
Okay. Here you go. Now we're gonna do the two ears.
Yeah, triangles are probably really easy to draw.
Two little triangles. And then how he does his eyes, they're just two like little ovals. Like this.
This is fun.
And we're gonna make him mad. So in order to
can we make him other feelings?
Whatever you want. I'm gonna make him mad.
I'm gonna make him kind of scared like that.
Finn's right. The eyebrows say a lot about what emotion you're drawing. If you want to make him mad, you make the eyebrows slanted downward.
Like slanted.
And if you want to make him happy, you make him slanted upward. Okay, next we're going to do his nose. And it's just a little oval, like that. Okay, so we made a little oval for his nose. And then we're going to draw a line straight down like that. And I'm going to make him have like a little frown. So how he draws them is that their mouths go from like almost the entire from one side of the face to the other side of the face. They're a really wide grin because Dogman's like takes up his whole face. Kind of the same with Petey the Cat here.
Or Captain Underpants is
yeah, it's huge.
Face,
huge. We start from one side and we go all the way. Make sure that it touches the bottom of that line.
I'm gonna make it like this. Doesn't that look funny?
Yeah, make sure that it touches the line though. This line right here.
Okay, just extend it.
Okay. And now the body is super easy. It's just a big rectangle, okay?
Yeah.
You go down, but
it kind of looks like a dress.
Kinda, yeah.
Yours is huge.
Yeah.
I'll leave some space for the legs.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Baby Dogman.
Baby Dogman.
I mean, baby Petey the Cat.
Okay, and then we'll start in this corner where his head meets the body. And then we're going to go out like this, triangle, and then we're not going to touch the end. We're going to end like right there. We're going to do that on both sides. Triangle, in. And there's a reason for that, because we're going to make room for his hands that come out like this because his hands are on his head. Okay? We're just going to draw 3 little bumps. Bump, 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 like that. Bump, bump, bump. Nice. And then we'll draw 2 more triangles on the inside of this one that we made to show the space between his arm and his body, like this. In.
I was gonna do that actually, just right before you said that.
Because you're a smart dude.
I actually was gonna start reading your mind.
That could be scary. All right, here we go. We go down for his leg.
What? Is it okay if I made a line to connect it?
Yeah, totally. Okay, and then we'll go out. Kind of like that. But we're with it.
Oh, I'm just gonna make
That's
his
totally
two
fine like
legs
that. If he's just standing, that's totally fine. Then we'll do another parallel line, however we drew his leg.
Okay.
Perfect. You're all done with that. And now his feet. Just little shoes.
Kind of like in my robot. When
Yep.
we made it, kind of looked like it had shoes.
Mm-hmm. Now we're going to do his tail. It's just a squiggle. Out like this. Squiggle. Squiggle.
Squiggle. Squiggle.
Nice. Now he's a striped cat. Well, let's do the whiskers. We do 3 dots. Dot, 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 dot.
That's
dot,
how I
dot.
do whiskers.
Mm-hmm. And then he actually has more whiskers that come out like this.
Yeah, it's kind of funny he has extra whiskers.
Mm-hmm.
That's sometimes how I draw whiskers, actually.
Nice. Okay, now we're going to draw stripes. We don't want to just go crazy with the stripes. We want to make them kind of even. So we're going to go try to make them the same distance apart from each other.
Is that okay if it's not the same distance?
Yeah, totally. We just try our best.
You're ahead of me.
I'm going to do his legs and his tail before I do the body. But you can do however you want.
I'm gonna do the same.
And we use paint markers.
So we're gonna have to outline the thing if we get it over.
Yeah, I like using paint markers because they
like come on really crisp and make it look more realistic.
Yeah, they go on really well.
Now I'm gonna do the body.
Let's do it. And if you make a mistake, you could kind of draw over the top of your mistake with the markers.
Yeah, I know. That's why I kind of like paint markers. This is looking cool.
I love it. Should we go see Dogman in theaters?
Yeah, we could go see Dogman.
Do you want to try reading it first, or do you want to go see it first? Do you want to go see it, or do you want to go
Read it
read
first.
it first? You might read it. Okay, you ready? Now we're going to color it in.
Ooh, yes, let's go. Fast forward.
Fast forward. Zzz. Okay, and there is Petey the Cat.
Yeah.
I like how yours has a bigger head than mine. Petey the Cat, aka Robber Cat.
He ate too many marshmallows.
Okay, let's give the camera a thumbs up. We hope you had fun, and we'll see you next time.
Goodbye.